Go to the gold. Let's see how the gold stands out. And hopefully they'll be as good. And, well, they're not as, how do I put this, opaque as I would like. The fact that I can see through it is a little bit of a letdown compared to what we just had with that copper. And it's definitely not the Qualitex Chrome. Let's put it that way. Which I wasn't expecting, but it's definitely... The best way I can explain what this color actually looks like in person is if you took a clear balloon, you took some gold dust and you blew it on it, where you're going to have splotchy areas all over it. Now, with small bubbles, it really has, it would be a good balloon to be a companion color to like the Qualitex Chrome, to kind of give it that secondary look, something lighter. On its own, after coming from what we just came from, with this, just a little disappointed. I think they're on the right track. I just wish it was more a clear look all the way through and not so splotchy. Yeah, I think that's a good term for it, splotchy. I don't know, if you've been playing around with the golds, let me know what your thoughts are. Yeah, it's a little different. Okay, let's go to something else now.